greater than 0, right? So now rule number 1 says I can remove 2, 4 and 6. So I can simply write it as x minus 2, x minus 4 greater than 0. So the roots are what? Roots are again 2 and 4. So rightmost, so plus and plus. So this is plus, minus and plus. So I need to what? Greater than 0 plus. So this is what? This is less than 2 or greater than 4. But then now, because it doesn't have an equality sign, I look at rule number 2. So what is the root of the expression that we removed? So the roots are 1, 3 and 5. So 1 it's included, right? So I need to remove 1. So I'll remove 1. 3 it's not there, right? So I cannot remove anything which is not there. And then I need to remove 5. So answer is x belongs to, so from minus infinite to 2, union 4 to infinite, except these two values, except 1 and 5. Or I can say x belongs to from minus infinite to 1, union from 1 to 2, union 4 to 5, union from 5 to infinite. So that's your rule number 2.